Oh, I am here with Peter Tuchman. What's going on, Peter?
What's going on? The markets are just on fire here, ladies and gentlemen. Anything that you thought you were worried about, whether it was trade wars or tariffs with Mexico, with China, it's all off the table, or it's all been settled. Feels like it's etched in stone. Those were the only things that were causing a little fracture in the market, and that has sort of unleashed the market to break through 26,000 again. We haven't seen that since January. On the Dow, record high in the S&P above 2,900, NASDAQ trading above 8,000. Market's on fire. It's a breakout, ladies and gentlemen.
Ooh, it's a breakout, and that is why I am wearing red today. It's not because I am being bearish. It's because we are on fire.
Exactly. We're on fire.
Okay, so why is tech up today? You know, S&P and NASDAQ were both kind of racing to the record, and now NASDAQ is leading a little bit more today. Why is that, Peter?
You know what? I really don't know. I mean, I haven't watched them yet today. It's a little bit of a reversal. They were lagging a little bit, but we saw Apple up a couple dollars the other day. I don't really know why. I don't know the reason, but they're definitely they're lifting the market a little bit. We're seeing an odd lot rally in the Dow today, but the S&P rallied up 10, and I think it's probably all to do with tech.
Well, did you hear Google is one of the leaders today? And did you hear how the Trump administration is investigating into Google, saying that they are biased?
I did hear about it, but I do not know anything about it.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I mean, they use analytics, but apparently Trump Googled himself, and it was
like what he saw.
he didn't like what he saw. So speaking of that, Peter, have you ever Googled yourself?
Of course I have. You got to Google yourself. You want to see what they're saying about you. You want to see what you've been doing in the last few days.
Yes.
All right. I unfortunately remember everything I've done on a daily basis.
Oh, yeah. Well, I see our interviews, of course, because they're the best. And then you have a Wikipedia page.
You know what? That's actually a recent thing. A gentleman contacted me, yes. I mean, obviously, I do have a big presence on Google. There's a lot of images. You Google me, you're going to see pictures of, I get a kick out of it. It reminds me that I have some relevance in this world at my age. But recently, somebody contacted me. I didn't really know that much about Wikipedia. He said, I'd love to do a page on you. There's so many stories. You've had such a great career and all this. So I said, go for it. So yeah, it's fun. It just happened like 2 weeks ago.
Did it really? That's so funny. I got a kick out of this because you know what it says. What you're most famous for?
What?
Your pictures.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I could be a lot more. Look, at least my picture's not in the post office.
That is.
The day it may have been.
But Chuck, he's funny too. Oh, Peter, we love you. Thanks for coming on the show today. We'll talk stocks and fun next week.
Deal. See you all later.